Good morning. It is Tuesday, November 26th, and I am finally delivering on what you guys keep asking me for, a full day in my life as a law student. Let's go. Alright, I'm on my way to contracts right now. Normally I just have a normal class at 9 a.m. but today is actually the last day of classes, and so we have a review session covering the whole semester. I think it's like 8:54, so I'm gonna hurry up and get there, and I will see you after. Okay, so I have a bit of stuff to do, specifically outlining, but I also need to prepare for an office hour with my property professor. Normally we have property at 1 o'clock, which is still in a couple hours from now, but we finished our review last Thursday, so he converted all of the class time today into office hours. So I'll be going to that later, but for now I'm working on outlining. I'm going to be editing one of your guys' personal statements. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check in the description box below. I basically help people out with that on Fiverr, and it's been super fun. I love learning about you guys. So thank you for trusting me with those, and I look forward to continuing to do that. But for now, we got some work to do, so we're gonna do that, and I will catch up with you guys as things develop and I eat lunch and I go to Torts. It's been about 2.5 hours. I'm tired and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go eat. What you all don't know is that soup is the best freaking soup on this planet. Thank you, Miller family. Hey Lydia.
Hey, ready for office hours?
Oh yeah, we have many, many questions.
Actually, I should go keep my notebook out.
Man, it is raining outside, so office hours was super productive. Glad I went. The teacher is so awesome, and I need him to get hired. He was just visiting this professor. He was just visiting this semester. So now I got to transfer some clothing donations for a Clothes for Court drive that I'm helping to run, and then we get to go home for the night. Actually, that's a lie. I'm going swing dancing later. Whew, it's gonna be a long day.
You seem really normal and know that this is weird.
Despite all the rain, I made it home safely, although it took a lot longer than normal. And so I'm going to prep some dinner, eat said dinner, and hopefully get a little bit of work done before heading out for a bit of swing tonight. Hello. There she is in all her cauliflower glory. It's fine. It's cauliflower with cheese and breadcrumbs. The last time I recorded was about 2 hours ago, and you guys saw me eating my dinner, which was fine. Didn't particularly lead to a productive 2 hours, but I think that's okay. I had a really busy and productive day. So now I'm going to go to swing, as I mentioned earlier, and you guys will get to check out that fun little part of my life. So back out into the rain we go. Do any of you guys also have that one thing that like you really shouldn't be as terrible at as you are? Mine is parking. I'm back in my apartment and I really enjoyed my time at Swing. It was brief and I did a horrible job following, mostly because of my boots, but also I haven't been there in a while. I thought before I just collaged together my night routine, I could show you guys some of my mail that I got today because I'm excited about it and it's part of a day in my life at the moment. My family, specifically my mom and my dad, they send me a letter every month or so, just like reminding me that they're thinking about me and that they love me. And I'm a big words of affirmation person. If you guys know about the 5 love languages thing, that's like definitely mine. I ordered some stuff on Amazon per my sister's. I just realized I can't tear this while I'm talking here. It's gonna make a bunch of noise. My sister is trying to be an influencer on YouTube and Instagram as of late. She really likes makeup and beauty stuff, which is definitely a harder niche to break into than law school because there's so many more people doing it. She's my go-to person when I ask about beauty and wellness kind of things. I don't always listen to the advice she gives, but I always want to hear it. I actually did a video with her if you want to check it out. It's not really related to law school at all. We did like a makeup thing, but you can watch that over here. Living here in Missouri, way more than it ever happened in Chicago. My lips have been so dry and chapped no matter what I do. I'm wearing chapstick and moisturizer and like lip serum crap every single day and they're like literally bleeding. She told me to try this like tinted Vaseline thing. This isn't like a review or anything. I haven't used it before, but my sister, I think this is what my sister told me to get, so I got it and hopefully it'll work. The other thing I got was actually recommended by my sister from her latest YouTube video where she did like a lipstick declutter thingy. Again, not a review, not a beauty channel, but I got it in the mail, so it looks like, you see it? So that was the stuff I ordered that came in the mail today. But for those of you who follow me on Instagram, you saw that I got something else in the mail. Well, technically it wasn't today, but it was like 2 days ago. I got something else in the mail that I didn't order, that I was not expecting, but I'm very excited about. It's not sponsored or anything, but Sand & Sky did send these products to me for free. Don't know how they got my address. A little creeped out about that, but gonna choose to not think about it. So they sent me their 2 newest products, which is this Australian Emu Apple like serum and moisturizing kind of mask. It's called the Super Bounce Mask and Dreamy Glow Drops. Let me show you the things I got from them before. I became a fan of this brand pretty much right when it was out. They had ads everywhere. I liked this mask. The thing is, it's just more drying, and as oily as my skin is, it's also like peeling all the time. So it's really pleasant. So that means that as much as I like this mask, I can't use it that often. When I was in college, they came out with this exfoliating mask, and I love that because it gets rid of all said peeling. I think I've used this twice, and I've used this like 4 times. I feel like using this morning and night and using this probably like every other day or so could help my skin retain moisture a little better, which would help with oil and peeling, which would be great, especially now that I live somewhere with cold winter seasons. I'm not getting any money for telling you guys about this. I really like this brand. That's all. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here, guys. I'll still vlog and put together a little like ending montage thing of what the rest of my day looks like, including probably using these products. I don't think I'm gonna show this, but I'm gonna do some laundry and journaling, and that'll pretty much be my night. So I think I'm done like talking to the camera for now, but I'm so glad that you guys could join me on my day today. I hope you found it helpful. I wouldn't necessarily say that this is a typical day for a couple reasons. Number one, I didn't study at night because I went swing dancing. And also I don't have class tomorrow and it's like Thanksgiving break, so that kind of throws off the schedule a little bit. The other thing was, as I mentioned earlier, I didn't have property today, which normally I would. And then finally, just because finals are approaching and again, no more classes, my studying that I did do earlier today comprised of compiling my notes.
and it wasn't so much reading cases and extracting rules and information from them. So next semester when I do this again, that will be something new to look forward to and learn about and share with you all. But for now, this was truly my day and you got to see inside the life of a law student. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you tune in next Monday. We're gonna do a study with me finals session for all the law students out there and any of the college or high school students that also have exams that they're preparing for. I'm gonna try to make it a live stream because I can't imagine filming and then uploading that. But if you can't make it for the live stream, that's okay. You can play the video whenever you want and we can just be study buddies virtually, defying time and space. So be on the lookout for that. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram because I'll tell you more details there, as well as subscribing and liking this video and all that jazz. You know the drill. Okay, hopefully I'll see you next Monday, but whether or not I do, God bless.